so like I said, it's I had a couple original designs that I was going to do this for. I was going to try with this. Some were going to be outside, some were going to be kind of rolling, kind of like a engine lift. But this is the one that was like, you know, fastest, cheapest, and you know, kind of it's good because has it right next to all my tools, and it's fairly practical. I got all wood shavings on here when I was making my my new wooden grips for my 48. So another reason why I got to clean this thing. It's covered. Alright, give you guys a little bit of a quicker, closer look of it. Alright, got the wheels off. Like I said, it's all got all the wood shavings on it from doing stuff on my wood loading. But it ran great for me this year, except for that. I don't know, you saw the video where it kept clogging, so I put a new. It had a standard steel gas line on it, which was plugged. Didn't realize it until I was right in the middle of it. But so once I put this one on, it ran with the filter. It ran great. So the plan is while I have it up here, obviously got to clean it, drain the oil. Maybe take what I think what I'm going to do too is take off maybe this gear reduction wheel and scoop out any crap that's in the bottom of it. See if there's any metals in there, and then anything that's just doesn't belong in there. So all right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Wait till the next one.